Alright, 105.
So he's gonna be pushing in on us, right? Because of blue?
He's in the blue building. He's gonna be popping out any second.
There he is. Alright, knocked one. The other guy's in the blue. Coming in.
Alright, I got a guy on me.
Alright, I got both the guys behind us. Stay back.
West.
Both the guys behind us. Stay back.
West.
Alright, we're good behind us. I got both of those guys.
Alright, just watch the guys ahead of us.
What about the guy in this care package house?
Still there?
Still there, right?
I think so.
Kinda wanna throw grenades in there.
Alright, I see him.
Far right? I see him.
I'm down. Should be good right here. Holy shit, go.
Be alright. It does bite though, like real bad.
Motherfucker's so blue.
Okay, I only knocked one. Shit.
Stay alive.
He's pushing me. Woo! Woohoo! Yeah, baby! Holy shit, dude. I had no idea that was the last